Ever wonder how crucial it is to detoxify your kidneys and liver? It's no secret that these organs play a fundamental role in your body's overall health. They tirelessly cleanse your body, removing harmful toxins and maintaining balance. But what happens when they become overloaded? That's where a delicious, nutritious detox lunch comes in. Imagine a dish brimming with vibrant colors, fresh flavors, and potent nutrients specifically designed to support and cleanse your kidneys and liver. Today, the spotlight falls on a recipe that does just that. So buckle up and prepare to be introduced to a powerhouse lunch that will not only tickle your taste buds, but also give your body a much-needed cleanse. Begin by gathering these key ingredients. You'll need 2 medium-sized beets, a bunch of fresh parsley, 3 medium-sized carrots, 1 apple, 1 lemon, and 2 inches of fresh ginger root. A touch of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of Himalayan pink salt will also come into play. Start by washing all the fresh ingredients thoroughly. Next, peel and chop the beets, carrots, apple, and ginger into bite-sized pieces. Remember, the smaller the pieces, the easier it will be for your blender to work its magic. Once all the ingredients are ready, toss them into your blender. Then, squeeze in the juice of the lemon, making sure not to let any seeds slip in. Pour in a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Now blend everything together until you have a smooth, vibrant mixture. If the mixture is too thick, feel free to add a bit of water to achieve your preferred consistency. Once you're satisfied with the texture, your detox lunch is ready to serve. Pour it into your favorite bowl or glass, garnish with a sprig of parsley, and enjoy this refreshing, health-boosting meal. This recipe combines the detoxifying properties of beets, carrots, and apples with the anti-inflammatory benefits of ginger and the high vitamin C content of lemons. The result is a lunch that not only tastes amazing but also supports your liver and kidneys in their vital role of detoxification. Beets, for instance, are known for their betaine content, a compound that helps the liver eliminate toxins. Carrots, on the other hand, are rich in antioxidants that promote kidney health. Apples are high in pectin, a substance that aids in cleansing the digestive tract, and lemons are a fantastic source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that enhances the body's detoxifying process. So, there you have it. A simple, delicious lunch that not only satisfies your hunger but also supports your body's detoxification process. Remember, your health is in your hands, so why not start treating your body right with this wholesome, detoxifying lunch?